Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve common issues or problems you're having with sounds or audio on your Windows 11 computer. So this can be a very common issues, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to going down to your system tray, and then locate lang natin dito yung audio icon. Okay, so ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, pop-up ang kanyang settings. So, kapag nakita mo yung audio dito na nakababa or naka-warnings dito na kulay-pula, so, ibig sabihin kailangan mong i-adjust ang kanyang button. Right? So, napakasimple lang talaga. Okay, so, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, type mo lang dito yung services. And then, click mo lang yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Audio Service. Okay? And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung Windows Audio. So ang gagawin natin dito ay double click ka lang. And then dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type. So dapat naka-automatic siya. And then click mo na ito apply and then click mo yung okay. Right? So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang yung device manager and then click mo lang yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sounds, video, and game controllers. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung kanyang drivers. Ang gagawin natin ay kailangan lang i-update. Okay, so for example, nakikita nyo dito yung audio driver na isa na naka-warnings po siya. Okay. So, click mo lang yan, right click, and then update drivers. So, select mo lang yan. And then, papatong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka na dito sa dalawa. And then, select lang natin itong search automatically. And then, click mo lang yan. And then, wait natin. Okay, so makikita mo kaagad dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Right, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix no sounds problem in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.